We use it in our things all the time.
I don't even know what you really do.
I don't know what blood is in.
Say hi, Claire.
It just got. Is it on video?
No, it's a camera. I mean video. I mean. No, so that's why you're supposed to say hi. Hi.
What is it? Say hi, Claire. If you said.
What the heck?
That's hey, who's this? What?
Did you text the wrong person?
84741. Oh my god.
You texted. Ooh, who do you think you texted? Look at the way they.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what did you say to them?
Wait a minute.
You texted the wrong Michael?
847.
Who is that?
Isn't that him? 8474150.
Why don't you have Michael Leonard?
I do.
Oh.
Wait, what did you say to him?
This
I
video,
said, hey,
obviously.
what are you up to? And he said, hey, who's this?
Wait, did he get a new phone? Do you recall at all?
No, I don't recall.
There's always a possibility for a new phone.
Hey, wait, do you have his number? I have a Michael and a Michael Leonard. It's the same number. Oh, it's Taylor. Huh. Like, oh, that just wasted a text message.
Yeah.
Michael Leonard.
This leaked. It was on the bulletin on Tuesday.
This exact art. No, even like the helium video.
We're like,
And it was like the closing act. I'd be so embarrassed.
how they have the little videos at the end.
What?
You'll be like, pick up your trash. Or you'll be like these people.
Yeah, I did that. It was so embarrassing.
That would be horrible.
You're like, never mind. So I was trying to think.
It shows us like throwing stuff on the ground. Do you really want to be like these people on a like a Saturday night?
Sunday.
Yeah, you have to start. Yeah. Hair. Oh my god. Hairs.
Oh my god.
Oh, your camera doesn't zoom.
Shoes.
Shiz. Is it on video?
Shoes.
Wait,
And he was like,
video?
I think you have too many shoes. Shut up. I think you have too many shoes. Shut up. I think you have too many shoes. Shut up.
Hey, you're kind of small.
Your feet are kind of big.
Oh.
Oh. By the way, bitch.
Me and my friends, like, in Roseville, like, we would do that, and then we would, like, all were, like, just screamed it. We're like, oh, bye.
That was the funniest thing. Was that like either one of you guys in the car when it was like Michael and like Dominic? I'm pretty sure it was like all of them at the exact same time. These shoes are $300.
Oh,
These
yeah.
shoes are $300, and they all said it.
Wasn't
like, the
it?
very
We were
these shoes are
saying it in
$300.
front of
Where
Mountain
are
Mike.
you?
Mountain Mike.
She said, "Where are you?" Where?
I'm gonna say I'm at a party.
I'm trying to think.
Should I say I'm at a party?
Yeah.
Dot. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm at a party, obviously.
Dude, I just charged it. It's like not okay.
The charger was on this though.
Sorry, the way
Oh,
turned
haha.
to your liking.
Oh, haha, my bad. I switched phones. That's why. Oh, yeah, this is my hand. Oh, no worries.
What if I just snap this really hard and it
she
turns
doing?
and I was like, "For good luck."
I'd be like, good luck.
What?
Is he over? You guys like one?
Hey, are you on video? Is it on video?
Yeah.
It's been on video.
Oh, wait, want to hear my, like, weird clearing of the throat again?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Wait, I can't even do it.
What? When did you do it the first time?
I was doing the guitar.
I don't remember that. I don't remember
It
that.
like bubbled in your throat. I was like, a bubble.
You sound like Kermit. You know, like a frog.
I do. What?
How do I sound like Kermit the Frog?
The way you're like, wait, do it again. The way you're like, dude. So once you hit the high, say I'm Hermit the Frog.
Okay. In that voice. I don't
Yeah.
even know what the voice is.
No.
I didn't even
Oh my
talk in
God.
my voice like that today.
That one. It's like, like the middle.
Kermit the Frog.
Oh
My chest like hurts. I think I inhaled too much helium.
my god. If someone blew it up, that means that you were inhaling like carbon dioxide, which is like CO2, which is not okay to be inhaled.
Yeah. No, seriously, like my
Yeah.
lungs are feeling weird. I'm like, what if I like just died? Like,
Blow out, like.
Like you
No, no, not like
you
that.
Wake up in
Like-
the morning. know what that sounded like? It's when the guy they start to scream out of the guy who actually like works for them.
Like a
in Monsters,
dementor.
Inc.
Like a dementor. Oh my god, I totally know what you're talking about. Oh my god, that was so sad. And he was like sucking the life out of him. Wait, what was the mean guy? What did the mean guy look like?
Remember when they waxed that hairy
Yeah,
guy?
the lizard.
Yeah, because he got a sock on him.
That was so sad.